Good morning, guys. Welcome to a new vlog. I hope that you guys are doing okay. So it's Monday. I'm starting this vlog on a Monday. I just felt like, let's do this on a Monday, okay? Anyways, yeah, I'm supposed to be at work already. No, actually, I'm lying. I'm supposed to be on my way to work, but I left my keys at work at the office, so I don't want to be there outside waiting for my supervisor to come in order for me to get in, because it's not safe. So I'm just gonna wait here and clean. It's just after 7:30, like, yeah. So yeah, I'm just waiting blindly. I'm gonna start moving around 7:45, because work starts at 8. So yeah, I'm sorry if you hear background noises or birds. There are weird birds here, guys. Like, they are weird birds, like akalagabi. They make very funny sounds. But anyways, this is me in welcoming you to a new vlog, because I feel like I never welcome you to a vlog. So this is an official hi. Okay, I'm gonna show you my outfits. 17. We'll make coffee as usual. So yeah, let's do this. Let's go get this bread, period. Okay. Okay, guys, so I'm just here to show you guys my outfit. I'm just wearing this polo neck, and then this is a dress, but I made it like a skirt, and then my flip-flops. So yeah, that's just me today, basically.
Shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci, no. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue, go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you see it in my line, I'm on your mind, and that want this back, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really? Only been a few hours, but it feel like this. Only been days, but it feel like months. Gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want. My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch felt like that. I wanna know what she too down. Do you be my leading lady? I want a contract girl, baby. In the meantime, it's time what I want. Hope you doing what you want. Maybe I love myself, I don't know. Leave me here out for myself. In the mirror, I doubt myself. Don't need myself for my wealth. Only been a few hours, but it felt like this. Only been days, but it felt like months.
Hi guys, so I'm done. It's been a busy morning here. Okay, so today is Saturday. So today I decided to do something productive with my Saturday. Thank God. Okay, thank God. I woke up, I washed my clothes, I cleaned a bit. So really, like, that's something for me, considering that my Saturdays are always slow. today is a productive Saturday, okay? So I just made myself some iced coffee. I've been drinking it, obviously. Yeah, man. I'm really sorry that I haven't been vlogging during the week, simply because I don't want to show things that are repetitive, because it's always work, 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 work. So I decided that let me actually vlog doing my laundry, fixing my like personal stuff rather than work. And also, guys, I really can't show you all like my personal life, like my here in my house. What am I saying? But I can't show you my space simply because I'm sharing it with someone, and hence I try to just show my side of the room, not anyone else's side, because I'm not trying to invade anyone's privacy. So yeah, that's why I can't vlog much here in this space, because there are people that I share with. So yeah, I don't want to invade anyone's privacy. Yeah, so today is just regular Saturday. I'm probably gonna watch something on Netflix or something. Also, why is South African Netflix so boring, guys? Hey bo, it is so boring. I'm just like, what the hell? What the hell? What the actual hell? Okay. Yeah, and my sit down video, my catch up session video is out. Please go check it out if you haven't. It's really interesting. That's where I just share details of my life and basically tell you guys how God has been good to me. It's more like a testimony rather than anything else. I feel like, and it wasn't intentional, but I feel like I talked or I spoke about God very much in that video, and I just want to say that God has been amazing to me, guys. Yabo. So I can't not talk about him if he has been doing great things in my life. When God does something for me, I give gratitude, and it's very important to give gratitude. To give gratitude always to God, to the universe, or whatever high power you're serving. So yeah, so that's me. But please go watch that session. It's really nice. It's a catch-up session. I get to tell you guys where I've been or whatever. Anyways, I hope that you are going to enjoy the vlog. I don't think I'll vlog anything today, but we'll see. And also, guys, don't mind me looking there. My view is beautiful. I can see like the whole town, like Devon CBD. Like here, the buildings are so beautiful, you know. So that's why I keep looking outside, because it is so beautiful. And also, there are weird birds here, so I'm looking at them as well. I don't know why these birds are always here, but anyways, that's not the point. I'll see you guys when I see you. Good morning, guys. Morning. Today it is a Tuesday, the following week. Guys, I'm just here to tell you guys what's kuyabanda eThekwini. Honestly, kuyabanda. Guys, izolo sinethile. Today it's just cold, man. Like, it's cold, you know. I'm having my cup of coffee early today. It is about 7:45, ne? So yeah, I'm early, way early. I'm having my cup of coffee, as well as some biscuits. These are nice. So yeah, bengizonitshela complain about weather ukuthi kuyabanda eThekwini, and I'll talk to you guys when I'm doing my hair, because my hair is a mess and angisathanda ukufaka iduku, guys. Yes, I'm manifesting umshado. Yes, I'm manifesting umshado, but it's not cute, bro. It's not cute. It's not cute. It's not cute, bruv. It's not cute anymore, you know. I think it was cute if do magic. No, because I also am tired of wearing wigs as well. So yeah, batik. Anyways, guys, you know what? This person that I'm speaking to makes me feel so special, and like, you know, he makes me feel so special, so wanted, and I love that for myself, you know. So I thought I should come here and just tell you that I love it for myself, you know, because I haven't been in a relationship since my ex and I broke up, which was like, let's just say March, actually Feb. So I'm grateful, you know, for a person I'm speaking to now. It's crazy that we haven't met. I just think it's crazy that we haven't met yet. But I feel the way I feel, you know. Hopefully I won't get disappointed, because I feel like sometimes I expect so much from people and people disappoint me, but so far it's going well. Hopefully I see this person soon. Hopefully I'll vlog when I see him. Guys, bye-bye. Thanks on channel. Okay guys, I know I'm a mess, but today it is Wednesday and I'm going out with my sister. I know I look weird, but yeah, I'll show you the outfit later. But yeah, just came from work and I changed it cleanly. We're going.
Will you be my leading lady? I wanna conjure and get a little bit, baby. And it needs